Hello everyone, today I'm going to introduce you this tofu soup. Super healthy. First of all, adding oil to the pan. Here I've got stem lettuce. After slicing, put them into the pan. Stir evenly.
Videoing.
I don't know the name of this in English, but it's a type of mushroom, so cut into two.
There we go.
Tofu, firm tofu. Now we need a Caesar. Where's the stew Caesar? Caesar. I don't have it here. OK， 可以了。拍呀。
Video, yeah, it's starting.
Adding them into the pan. Mushroom first and then the tofu.
Very nice.
Add some water.
Oyster sauce. Ooh.
Don't move me.
Welcome back to our episode on Chinese our special on Chinese cooking on Food Planet. Now I'm just gonna take a little bit of soy. Oh yeah, just a little bit, You want to make sure it's widely spread, but you don't want to get too much in there.
If we have dark soy sauce, but we don't have that, so I'm just going to use a little bit more of this.
Stir even.
看起来真好啊。
5 minutes later.